He isn't. Ah! Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. It is a wet, miserable day. It's New Year's Eve, and there's a new arrival. And wait till you see this, because this is something special. Now, unfortunately, this particular animal is not going to be able to be dropped up here and walked down. So that means we're going to have to take the trailer and... Mind your leg, you stupid goat! Oh, God, just can't help himself but getting mischief. What a mess! We are chewing up the place. Should have just put it on the truck, I think. I don't think we need... Well, let's put it on mud mode. Right. What a mess. I've absolutely chewed it up back there. You shouldn't be in here. Now, you might have guessed it from the thumbnail and the title, I imagine, but this is a pig. What we've picked up is a pig. He's an Oxford Sandy and Black boar called Jack, and he has previous here because he is a sire of our recent litter, and he also sired Matilda's last litter. Right, let's hope we don't skid. We're back in. This fence is off at the moment. I need to retension it, and then I'll get the electric back on. The girls are over there. They haven't seen me yet. Hopefully we can get him out and then feed them all at the same time. You've got to see this guy. He is the biggest pig you'll ever see. Oh, girls. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's see if we can feed them first. Or feed them a bit. Right, that'll keep them busy there. Not you, buddy. Now you wait till you see the size of this pig. I've seen chunkier pigs, but the height on that, I mean, the height of him, our girls have ridden smaller ponies. Right. Hello, lad. Now, I won't lie, he was an absolute pain to get in. It took four of us to get him in the trailer. Although he's a stud boar and he goes in and out of trailers all the time, he wasn't playing ball this morning. But here he is. Hello, Jack, welcome. No, you don't need to be in here, you're a goat. You're a goat. Come on, lad. Now, Matilda's met him before, but Miss Honey hasn't. And he's not actually electric fence trained, so we've got a bit of training to do. But if you look at the size of him, this is a fully grown sow, and he'll just dwarf her. Right, let's go and tension up this line a bit. Hello, everyone. You got to see new neighbours. Oh, Jeffrey, you've got yourself rambled up, haven't you? Jeffrey, wait. Just wait there, Jeffrey. Sort you out. Right, I haven't got any electric on that fence yet. See if you can stand on it. Go on, off you go. Go on. Before he escapes, we need to get this electric sorted. Where is he? How have we lost her? Have we lost him? Oh no, he's in there. I've got nothing for you, girls. You've got grass and hay. What I'm going to do is give them both arcs. Then they'll probably, once they're all getting on, they'll probably all squeeze in together, but we don't want to force them to do that. So what I've done, they've got both of these are all, well, that one had loads of straw in. I had a broken bale of hay, so I've just put around the outside of the doors to keep it nice little doormat to wipe the feet on. And the idea is that I'll probably move them up to this half, because this half is a little bit greener. whereas that end is getting pretty sloppy, and I don't want anyone to slip over, especially while they're in the throes of lovemaking. So we'll leave them to it. So this will be Miss Honey, the first time she's met a boar, and she has been in season recently. We've missed it by about a week with Matilda, so both of them will probably come into heat pretty soon. It's every 21 days, I think. So he should catch both of them within the same month. But I think if either of them were ready, he would have been straight at it, because last time I took Matilda, it took him about 2 minutes to get freaky. Right, mister, you need to come with me. Good Land Rover, good Land Rover. Don't get stuck. Use your brains. It's a very different vehicle, this, from the truck. The truck is kind of mechanically a four-wheel drive, and you can kind of feel it working in low range, whereas this, while it is low range and it's got all the fancy modes, it uses more kind of trickery, it would seem. So you feel different wheels doing different things at different times. You kind of got to put a bit of trust in it. Obviously it's an amazing vehicle off-road, but it just doesn't feel quite the same as the truck. Chickens, you're going to get a bit of a shock in a minute if you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Can't even see which side is positive, negative, positive. Right, let's hope this did charge. Yep, we're fully... That's belting out. Go on. I'm like literally going to get stuck in here. Go on, pig. Go, oh no, you're not a pig, you're a chicken. Go on. Go on. Hey. Go on, chickens. Your time is up. No. Your time will be up in a minute. He's loving it over there. He's having a good roll around. Alright, I'm going to put this fence on. Oh man, I got a leaky welly, but that's for another video and another time. This one needs to be emptied. It is clean, it just looks green below. What have they done? Wrong side. It is going to plan, I promise. Please. Jack came to us very clean. He hasn't. Ah! Oh, I just put the electric fence on. Don't do it, buddy. I won't tell you where that's at. My goodness, that's woken me up. Come on, Jack. Come and show us your makeover. Come on, Jack. What's this, boy? Look at him. He was pristine when he came out of that yard. Sorry, Lucy, if you're watching this. Oh boy, what have you done? Well, using one's groin is one way to check that the power's working. Right, I need goat, not sheep. Sheep stay. Buddy through, sheep stay. Well, you're a lot easier than moving pigs. Maybe it is just muddy. Well, I guess we're leaving the trailer there then. So Jack's been here for nearly a month, 3 or 4 weeks now, and he's doing well. Everyone's getting on. They're all sharing one of the arcs now. Put a bit on the floor there, and I'll do a sneaky manoeuvre. Oh, not so sneaky. All right. Oh, okay. So normally Jack kicks them off, so then I feed the girls over here. Now, I looked over the footage of when he arrived, and I still don't think you can tell how big he is. I mean, He is simply huge. Aren't you, boy? So here are the two girls. And this is our gentle giant. So he will be here for at least 2 seasons, so we'll make sure that these girls are in pig. But there is a good chance that he will still be around when Lavender has weaned her litter and had a bit of a rest. So it might be that he is able to cover all 3, which would be good, and then Lavender will have a good rest after her next litter. Matilda's definitely on a 1 litter a year now. Miss Honey, this will be her first time, so she'll be good to go and have another litter next winter. Now, I tried to film a bit of an outro yesterday, but it was too windy, and I'm only on my phone, so apologies if it's still windy. But to give you an idea of how the farrowing is going to work, these two will be farrowing in, I guess, late April, which will mean that we'll have kind of piglets throughout the summer, and then we will have Lavender's next litter mid to late summer, I guess. So we're trying to space things out a little bit more, and as we get better at it, it'll become more regular. Once we have found our own boar, that'll make things easier because we will be working on our own timings rather than when Jack's available. One of the downsides is when you keep different bloodlines and you're trying to find a boy, you kind of want to find a boy that is not related to all of them. So we have to search a little bit further and wider to find a suitable boar if we're going to have our own, because we only really want to keep one. Now, we've nearly sold this whole litter already, a Lavender litter, even though they're still 4 weeks off weaning, which is great, and it'll mean that we carry less pigs through ourselves. I think what we may do is do a pork share this year, so that rather than us just keep half a dozen pigs through all the way to finish and all the hundreds and hundreds of pounds worth of costs that are involved in that, we may get people to commit to it now. So buy a pork share, buy £100, I pay £100 now, basically. I pay £100 when the butchery's done for the half pig box. It basically means that we can keep them knowing that we're not going to be hugely out of pocket or have 4 freezers full of pork at the end of the year. So if you're interested in that, drop us an email. We're not going to list it on the website, so we're not quite sure how it's going to work as far as numbers yet. Basically, it'll be 50% now and 50% at the time of butchery. And one big benefit is you'll be able to see how and where your produce is being raised and reared, and you know, that's a good thing. Keep people in touch. So even if you live in a town or city, you can be in some way linked to where your food comes from. So if you are interested, drop us an email. But that's it. That is Jack. We'll keep you updated on him, and hopefully we'll be looking forward to having some new litters in the summer. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you next time.